Hi everyone, social assignment dated 27/6/2020 of class 10th, history lesson number 1, rise of nationalism in Europe. Read the following paragraph and answer the following questions given below. The paragraphs are based on page number 21 to 27 of history textbook. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. What, according to some scholars, is the model of nation or nation state? Which country is considered as the model of a nation or national state? It is England is the one which was considered as a nation or national state, most probably because in 1649 British Commonwealth was formed, that is the earliest one. So we know that the people who share a common identity, shared culture, that is called as a nation. So Britain might be the earliest one in this aspect. So answer is Great Britain. Great Britain is considered as a model of the nation or nation state. Question number 2. When was Ireland incorporated into the United Kingdom? We know that Ireland consisted of two ethnic groups, Catholics and Protestants, and there were continuous clash between these two groups for their own independence, and English helped the Protestants. And in 1798 there were some kind of revolt that has happened, and at last in 1801 forcefully Ireland was incorporated with the United Kingdom. So 1801 is the year. 1801. Question number 3. How was new British nation forged? The new British nation forged. We study that Britain consisted of the different islands like English, Welsh, Scot or Irish, and among this all the most dominant was the English or the Britain. So through the propagation of a dominant English culture, among all the culture, the English culture, among the culture of Wales, Scottish, Irish, all this, English culture was dominant. Because of that, the English nation was forged. So the answer is through the propagation of a dominant English culture. Question number 4. Which crown does Germania wear? The crown worn by Germania is oak leaves. Germany is the allegory of Germany, and she wore oak leaves. Oak leaves stood for heroism. So answer is oak leaves. It stood for the idea of heroism. Question number 5. Name the female allegory of German nation. Usually allegory means it can be a song or a picture or a poem, which is interpreted to reveal a hidden meaning. Especially it can be the moral or political field. That is called allegory. So Germany, the allegory was Germania, a female figure. In our lesson also it is given that Allegories are the abstract idea of a nation in a concrete form. That is called the allegory. So the allegory of Germany was Germania. And the next question is related to France. Name the female allegory of used in France to represent the nation. The female allegory used in France to represent the nation was Marianne. Christian Marianne, the full name. Marianne was the female allegory. Question number 7. Which European power had rivalries in the Balkans and were keen in countering the hold of other over Balkans and extending on control over the area? The European powers which had a rivalry on Balkans and were keen on countering the hold of other powers or try to dominate the other powers. The major European powers which had a rivalry over others were Russia, Germany, England and Austro-Hungary. So the countries were Russia, England, Germany and Austro-Hungary. Question number 8. What was the most serious source of nationalist tension in Europe after 1871? Which was the most serious source of nationalist tension in Europe after 1871? We call it a Balkan issue. The issue related to Balkan region. Balkan issue. We study that the Balkan region consists of Albania, Romania, Greece, all these regions. They had their imperialistic issues. Question number 9. What led Europe to disaster in 1914? What led the European nations to disaster in 1914? Nationalism aligned with imperialism. Nationalism means feelings for one's own country. Okay. And the second one, imperialism is extending a country's power and influence through colonies or use of military power. That is called imperialism. So nationalist ideas aligned with imperialism. Nationalism aligned with the imperialism. Has caused the disaster of Europe in 1914, which led to even World War. Question number 10. Name any European idea that came to be accepted as natural and universal. Any European idea which came to be accepted as natural and universal. The ideas like a nation state. Society should be organized on nation state. That is the idea which was natural and universal. Everyone accepted this idea. Society should be organized into nation state. Question number 11. Where were European ideas of nationalism replicated? Where were European ideas of nationalism replicated? Answer: for people everywhere developed their own specific variety of nationalism. So the nationalism idea were replicated in the specific varieties. So people everywhere developed their own specific variety of nationalism. So nationalism were replicated everywhere. We know that the nationalist ideas in India is different from the nationalistic idea that was emerged in Europe. So, specific way they have derived their own nationalistic ideas. Question number 12. Why did Balkan area became an area of intense conflict? Because Balkan region consists of people belonging to different groups which were called ethnic groups which were called Slavs together. Okay, so as the different Slavic nationals struggled to define their identity and independence, these regions like Romania, Bulgaria, Greece, Montenegro, all these regions together, the people were together called as Slavs. So as the different Slav nationalities struggled to define their own identity and independence, these regions were very much tensed. That's what you have to understand. As the different Slavic nationalities struggled to define their identity and independence. Question number 13. What made the Balkans very explosive? The two feelings that made Balkans very explosive is, one is romantic nationalism, too much feelings towards one's own nation, and disintegration of Ottoman Empire. That disintegration means the division of Ottoman Empire. So two feelings, romantic nationalism and disintegration of Turkish Empire. Question number 14. Why were the statues of Marianne erected public squares? Why were the statues of Marianne erected in public squares? To remind the public of the national symbol of unity and to persuade them to identify with it. So, by looking at the statue of Marianne, people got to feel that the symbol of unity, as well as through that they want to be persuaded the people to identify with it. So for the purpose of unity, to persuade people for unity, as she stood for unity. Okay, people should be persuaded by looking at the statue. Question number 15. What did artists use to portray ideas such as liberty, justice and republic during the French Revolution? Through what the artist tried to portray ideas such as liberty, justice and republic during French Revolution? It was through female allegory. Through female allegory. These are the 15 questions. Go through your answers and verify them. Thank you.